This is a Mitsubishi Outlander, and what I'm going to do is show you how to change the air filter. So when you're looking at the center of the engine, it's actually right there. You'll see it right behind the positive of the battery. It's this big box. So what we're going to do to replace this is we're going to pop this and this. So those two. We're going to come over here. You're going to see this wiring, and we're just going to pull this through this little slot. Then what we're going to do is pull this apart, and once that bottom's separated, we can pull this up. And then you're going to want to run a vacuum or something in there, which is always good to do. It's suggested in case there's any debris in there. When you're looking at your air filter, what you're going to do is you're going to see that there's a squared off corner right here. It's like a 90-degree angle, and all the other corners are rounded. This goes in the top left when you're on the side, so it's actually in the, should say, the front of the vehicle. That squared corner will go right there. So this air filter is actually fairly dirty, so I'm going to actually have to get a new one. But I was just doing this for show, so I'm actually going to reinstall it. Next thing we're going to do is make sure that this box is separated enough. We want to make sure we can slide that new air filter back in. We'll drop that back down and in. Once that's dropped down and in, we're going to make sure that it's seated tight all the way around. Once it's seated in place, we're going to just kind of lift up on this side, drop this side down so that those seat back together properly. So then once you get that seated in place, then this should close up fairly simply. Snap that down once, two, come back through, push that wire down, and that's how you change the air filter. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.